The art of writing has always been a part of Vietnamese culture. Because we have always cherished things, those are not just beautiful and sophisticated, but hold deep meaning. From the ancient Han and Nom characters hung during Tet, to the calligraphy that graced our ancestors' altars, words more than just decoration. They were a wish for the future. But in modern times, that connection has faded slightly. Walk into a young person's apartment or a coffee shop today, and you might see digital prints featuring foreign characters or generic quotes. They are slick, yes, but often lack originality. Designs easily copied from Pinterest and mass-produced without a single thought. I wanted to bridge that gap. I wanted to create something undeniably Vietnamese for Vietnamese homes and buildings, but with a modern breath. That was why I chose to paint rather than print. In the digital world, if you make a mistake, you simply press undo. But on a canvas, every stroke is a commitment. The paint has texture, weight, and thickness. It interacts with the light in a way that flat ink on paper never can. This process forces me to slow down, to be present, and to respect the materials. And there is a unique beauty in our language, the diacritics. Our accents and tones are not just pronunciation guides. To me, they are visual rhythm. They make the text dance. Painting these modern Vietnamese characters is my way of honoring the past while speaking the visual language of today. I've always preferred handmade products. A brushstroke carries a vibration that printed dots simply cannot replicate. There is value in the time spent on every curve and line, in the inhale and exhale required to keep the stroke stable. And most importantly, there is a feeling, there is emotion. I have a deep belief in the power of words. The things we see every day affect our mental state and energy. A meaningful Vietnamese word, painted with intention, doesn't just decorate a wall, it grounds us. It brings a sense of luck, peace, and positive energy into the spaces where we live and breathe.